Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can buy Brawl Pass with Apple Pay. So for that just open your Brawl app on your mobile phone and here you will see at the top left side shop option. Click on this shop option. Now when you click on shop option, the first one in front of you can see it's Ball Pass. So just simply click on this Ball Pass option. Now when you click on this, you can see there are two options in front of you with a worth of $599 and the second one is $899. So select which one you want to choose or buy. Select anyone and click on this. When you click on this will the pop-up menu appear in front of you, the payment method. Now there are different payment methods. You can see the first one is add credit or debit card. So you have to choose this first method. Just click on this. When you click on this, it will ask you to put up all the details of your credit or debit card. So in this section, you can put your Apple Pay card details, your Apple Pay number, CVC number, and all the details. After putting all the details, you can purchase your Brawl Pass with your Apple Pay.